You might be wondering if there's anything you can do to make your hair grow faster. Do any products help? Can dietary changes speed up growth? And what about medications or treatments? In this video, we'll help answer those questions. We'll also take a closer look at what can affect hair growth and the steps you can take to improve the growth of your hair.
What can help your hair grow?
Genetics does play a role in maintaining healthy hair growth. However, several other factors also come into play. Although there's no magical potion or remedy that will result in instant growth, there are steps you can take to help your hair grow and to prevent breakage. Let's look at 6 tips that may help your hair grow faster and stronger. 1. Check your protein intake. If your diet is severely restrictive, hair won't grow optimally, and shedding can occur. Eating a well-balanced diet with adequate protein intake is important for optimal hair growth. 2. Try caffeine-infused products.
We all know that caffeine can give you an energy boost, and its topical use has been shown to give hair growth a boost, too.
Research shows that caffeine in topical products, like shampoos and conditioners, can prevent hair loss as effectively as drug-based treatments. Caffeine may promote hair growth by stimulating the metabolism and proliferation of cells. 3. Hold the heat.
Heat from curling irons, hair dryers, and straighteners can damage your hair and cause breakage. While avoiding heat styling altogether may not be an option, you may want to try limiting how often you use these tools.
4. Do a cold water rinse at the end of each shower. This really does help to grow hair and keep long hair healthy for longer. Cold water lays down the outer layer of hair more smoothly, which helps prevent moisture loss, snags, and heat damage. You only need to do it for a few seconds, but this one extra step over time can make a huge difference. Trim your hair regularly.
Trimming your hair every few months can boost the growth of healthy hair. Remove split ends, preventing them from spreading farther up your strands and causing hair breakage.
6. Use products that are free from sulfates and parabens. Sulfates may have the ability to get rid of oil and dirt, but recent studies have found that it is toxic and carcinogenic. Sulfate has been found to be one of the key culprits of hair loss and thinning hair. It actually destroys hair follicles and inhibits hair growth.